5 necessities to make your diet a success. Studies show, the most successive New Year's resolution is reliably connected with weight, misfortune issues, and so on. Nonetheless, by far most of these goals aren't effective. Despite the fact that weight, misfortune, is frequently important and required, and a significant wish/want, and so on, for these endeavors to find success and make a valid distinction to improve things, one should commit to a serious level of ingenuity, responsibility, devotion, and clear-cut center/accentuation, and so on. There are various requirements/necessities to effectively shedding pounds, a significant eating regimen. This article will endeavor to momentarily consider, look at, and survey 5 of the most fundamental, critical ones. 1. Effectively utilizing affirmations. The essential responsibility frequently implies one unquestionable necessity: successfully utilize personal affirmations, which are positive, present, tense articulations, driving one to continue with the required positive, can-do mentality, to accept you can accomplish your weight, misfortune goals. It's vital to be aware, comprehend, and assess your reasons for needing to take off the pounds, and to decide which approach could work best for you. 2. Personally, saw needs/reasons. Begin by giving yourself a check up from the neck up to be aware your own needs, insights, needs, and so forth. Individuals diet for some reasons. Along these lines, it's critical to be aware and grasp yours. How significant is it, genuinely, as far as you might be concerned, actually? Is it true that you are eager to get going, to continue with the level of responsibility, discipline, industriousness, and so on, to accomplish your goals? 3. Objectives/needs. Your own objectives and needs are most likely, in numerous ways, far not quite the same as others, in unambiguous, to some degree, exceptional ways. How expressly propelling are your own objectives and needs towards accomplishing your ideal? Weight, misfortune? Is slimming down and weight, misfortune, significant to you? 4. Responsibility. Making your eating regimen a genuine progress requires a critical level of individual responsibility. It frequently requires some life changes, either as far as dietary patterns, workout, something different, or some blend, and so on. In spite of the fact that, to some, getting more fit appears to be appealing and alluring, the cycle and level of responsibility may not. 5. Discipline. How frequently do you actually want, as well as eating some particular food, dessert, and so on? Nonetheless, when you are consuming less calories, that may not agree with finding actual success. Will you be eager to get going, to continue with the fundamental level of individual discipline to accomplish your goals? Abstains from food possibly work when you work to accomplish them? Will you set forth that energy, and how significant is getting in shape to you? Check the description for done-for-you diets,